The Sellerpic AI tool handles everything from custom models to product videos in one stop, doubling your efficiency. First, use the model customization feature. Pick from the existing library, choose styles and skin tones, fair, natural, wheat, to match your audience. Please try to avoid uploading images where the watch is already worn on the hand, the watch dial has reflections, or there are multiple watches. Try to select and upload product images that are front-facing, clear, and with no background. There are 3 ways to upload your product images. Plus, there are multiple image ratios and model skin tones to choose from. You can use the comparison function to zoom in and compare details with one click. If you are satisfied with the effect, you can click to download directly. If you encounter any issues, you can click the small triangle icon in the upper right corner to submit your feedback and suggestions. If no pre-made model works, click Custom. Upload your own model images. The tool auto-fits the watch. Or, to create a new model, type a description. If you don't know how to describe it, it's okay. You can make a simple description and then click the magic wand in the lower right corner. It will automatically help you generate a complete and detailed description. At the same time, there are 2 models to choose from here. If you want clearer pictures, you can choose the GPT model. If you want better consistency, you can choose the Google model. Then use the smudge tool to adjust or match strap color to the model's outfit for a natural look. Upload your watch images, white background or simple scenes, via 3 easy methods. Click Generate for a realistic wear-on image, just like a pro shoot. Best of all, turn the wear-on image into a video directly on the page with Generate Video from wear-on image. You can use the existing templates or describe the model movements you want. And select the video style and the duration of the generated video. Once the video is generated, simply click to download it. And you can choose from 3 download formats. Sellerpic saves costs, lets you tweak visuals flexibly, and helps your watches stand out to boost sales. Try it now at www.sellerpic.ai.